Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to make your Google Slide autoplay so your presentation runs smoothly without clicking its slide. First, open your Google Slide. You can do it in your desktop or your phone as well. You have to download and sign in into your account. As you can see, I've already signed in into my account. Now simply open your presentation, and in the mobile version you will see a play icon right over here, and you can simply choose where you want to present this presentation. I will simply choose this device, or if you are in desktop, you will find a menu, and in the drop down menu you will need to choose autoplay and it will automatically play. But in the mobile version, you can simply click your device once and all the presentations will come one after another. As you can see, it's as simple as this. Finally, check the box that says loop if you want the slideshow to repeat automatically. This version of mobile Google Slides doesn't support that right now, but you can do this in your desktop, MacBook or your laptop. And that's it guys, your slides will now autoplay hands-free, perfect for events or background displays. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Google Slide tips, and let me know in the comments what you are using autoplay for. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.